front is the main Freight Duffy Award for excellence and attitude in every area of school life, and that goes to Finn Bowden. The Leslie Duncan Award is for someone who has made great progress in the study of English, and that's for Elena Popkova. I'd also like to award some very special leaders within our school. The first leader is Harmony Renner Hughes. Sarah Lena Siu Manu Whangai. Connor Maxwell. Silas Tang. Meg Parentigens. Crystal Sangote. LeBron Hopapa. Tiana Yese.